When your mayor presents a proclamation with the Hindu American Foundation's managing director standing beside him, does this council know that HAF faces a formal complaint accusing it of acting for a foreign government and that the DOJ has been asked to investigate it under the Foreign Agents Registration Act? 3 weeks ago, after an operative pled guilty in the India-directed assassination conspiracy against a Sikh American, HAF's managing director went on a podcast and laughed about it, mocked it as sloppy, said if you're going to do a job, do it right. That's who your mayor shared a stage with. HAF lobbied to kill SB 509, the bill that would have trained your police to recognize exactly this kind of foreign government threat and celebrated when it worked. Your county's DA, Jeff Rosen, keynoted an HAF session training law enforcement to treat Sikh activists as terrorist suspects. This council just spent hours debating surveillance policy. HAF is deciding who gets surveilled, and the mayor is standing alongside them in this chamber, presenting them with proclamations. Thank you.